Geometric distribution. The next distribution what we have in our discussion is the geometric distribution. A random variable x denotes the number of a random variable x denotes the number of trials, that is Bernoulli's trials of the random experiment required to obtain the first success. See, in the uh, geometric distribution, it certainly takes the help of the Bernoulli's trials. Bernoulli's trials means either two possibilities are there, one is success and other is failure. So for the geometric distribution, we will have to perform the random experiment. After performing the random experiment, I am interested only in the result which is called as success. So a random variable x denotes the number of Bernoulli trials after performance of an experiment required to obtain the first success. I know that whether the result will be either success or failure, but I will be interested in the result wherein the first success is obtained. See, there can be n number of trials, but in n number of trials I might get the success in the first trial or second trial. So we will be interested in obtaining the rate of success which is obtained very fast, that is in the first success, that is the rate of success in the very first trial whenever it will be obtained. So therefore capital X assumes the values as 1, 2, 3. So if x is equal to r, then first r minus 1 trials result in failure and rth trial results in success. The first success out of r trials is obtained at rth trial, means first trial, second trial, third trial, r minus 1th trial, the result is not as expected, it is a failure. And after r minus 1th trial, when I have the rth trial, it results into the success. So if I consider small p as the probability of success in the trial, q will be 1 minus p, the probability of failure. Then probability function for x is defined as f of x is equal to probability at x equal to r, p into q to the power r minus 1. Failure is obtained till r minus 1th trial. Success is obtained at rth trial, which is 1 plus 2 r minus 1. So r belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So r minus 1th trial तक अपना क्या है, failure, which is q, which is 1 minus p, and p is nothing but the first success obtained at the rth trial. So how the probability function is given by probability function at x equal to r. We are calculating probability at x equal to r. What is r? R is nothing but the success obtained at the rth trial, and hence it is given by p into q to the power r minus 1. A random variable x having above probability distribution is said to be geometrically distributed random variable. So accordingly, whenever we will be calculating the geometric distribution, now how to identify the problems of geometric distribution? Whenever the success is expected in certain trials, for sure we will be applying the geometric distribution. So what are the properties of geometric distribution? The mean mu is 1 upon p. P is nothing but the probability of success. Q is nothing but the probability of failure. The variance sigma square is q upon p square. Standard deviation sigma is under root of q by p. Moment generating function is p e to the power t upon 1 minus q e to the power t. This is how we calculate the moment generating function for the geometric distribution. Example: if the probability that an applicant for car driver's license will pass the road test on any given trial is 0.9. So passing of the driving license test in any given trial is 0.9, means probability of success p कितना है 0.9. what is the probability that he will finally pass this test on the fourth trial and within 2 trials. So success rate is to be determined at certain trial. In such kind of examples, we will be applying the geometric distribution. Because success is expected in certain trial, limited trials, not infinite trial. Therefore, we apply the geometric distribution. So by geometric distribution, we have probability at x equal to r is p into q to the power r minus 1, where r is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So these are distinctive values. So this can be termed as a continuous random variable or discrete. It will be measurable, and therefore we call it as a example for the geometric distribution applicable for the discrete random variable. So probability of passing the test, that is success, is p, which is 0.9. Q is equal to 1 minus p, which is failure, which is 1 minus 0.9, and it is 0.1. So for the fourth trial, yeah, on the fourth trial in the performance of the experiment, the success is obtained or to be calculated, then probability at x equal to 4 will be p, which is 0.9, multiplied by q, which is 0.1, raised to power r minus 1. R minus 1 means 4 minus 1, which is 3, and hence our answer obtained is 0.0009. So probability of a person or an applicant for the driving license test will pass the test on the fourth trial is probability at x equal to 4, which is 0.0009. Within 2 trials, within 2 trials means within first trial and second trial. Zero trial ऐसा सच कुछ होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि initially to start with the experiment you have to calculate or apply for the trials, or you have to give the performance. So within 2 trials means x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So p into q to the power 0. P into q to the power 2 minus 1 means 1. And that is what the probability is, which is 0.99. So probability for x less than 2 is 0.99. So one more example wherein we want the rate of success in the initial trials or in a finite trials. Find the probability that in successive tosses of a fair die, 3 comes up for the first time on the 5th toss. Means after performing so many tossing of a die, I want the number 3 which comes out on the 5th toss. Means success to be obtained at the 5th trial. So let x denotes the number of trials required to achieve the first success. Then x follows the geometric distribution. Probability at x equal to r is p into q to the power r minus 1, where r is equal to 1, 2, 3. When a die is thrown, for a particular number to come up, the probability of each number is 1 by 6. So probability for a number 3 to come up is 1 by 6. So other numbers, whenever the die is thrown are generated, the probability will be treated as a failure, because we will not be requiring that particular number in our result. We want only the number 3 in our result. And what is the probability of that number? It is 1 by 6. So remaining probability q will be 1 minus p, and 1 minus p is 1 minus 1 by 6, which is 5 by 6. So 5th trial पे success होना है, तो p into q to the power 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, and that answer comes out to be 0.0804 approximately. So this is also one of the example wherein we always try to find out the answer with the help of the geometric distribution. One practice problem: a typist types 2 letters erroneously for every 100 letters. Means while typing 100 letters, 2 letters are typed in error or with error. What is the probability that 10th letter typed is the first erroneous letter? use the geometric distribution. When it is the first erroneous letter means we want the probability to be calculated. What is the probability of success here? To get the error in the letter, right? On an average, how many letters are typed erroneously by the typist? 2 letters are typed for every 100 letters, right? So what is the probability of error? Probability of error is 2 upon 100, because though it sounds negative, but it is our success for the typing. So calculation is to be done for the error typing, right? So when the what is the probability for the error typing? Probability for the error typing is 2 letters typed erroneously for every 100 letters. So 2 upon 100 means 0.02 is the probability of typing in a error. So Q will be 1 minus P, where it will be not typed in error, and probability that 10th letter typed is first erroneous letter. So first erroneous letter means success at this particular trial. But what is the probability for which letter you have to calculate it for? 10th letter. So what is x equal to? X is equal to 10. And for that particular letter, 10th time, when the 10th letter is typed, you get the first success. First success means first error in the typing, and therefore x will be equal to 10. P is equal to 2 upon 100, which is 0.02. Q is equal to 1 minus P. The formula for x is equal to R is, the probability for x equal to R is P into Q to the power R minus 1. So therefore, using this particular quantity, we will be trying to find out the answer, and that will be giving us the solution for the given problem of geometric distribution.